help you take a perfect photo for your documents. Look how easy it is. To take a good photo, it's best to stand facing your window. Thanks to this, the face will be evenly lit. Don't worry about your background. Our app automatically removes it. It's best if someone takes your photo, or to use a selfie stick. But you can do it yourself too. It's important that you look directly into the lens. Your head must be perfectly straight. Don't tilt it in any way, just keep it straight. Your shoulders as well. Take off your glasses. Make sure that your hair doesn't cover your face, in particular your eyebrows. One last time, make sure you're looking straight into the lens. Close your mouth and take a photo.